Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime Time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far and had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It's a new month. Check these guys out. Link will be down below. If you guys need to order one of these, might want to grab a couple for yourself. Great stocking stuffers for this upcoming season. And this is coming from Western Digital WD 1 terabyte portable storage stockage shipment. Oh yes, just got the new computer yesterday, day before. It's been a crazy year, but this is definitely gonna help it. I needed extra memory, so you guys can check them out. Great deal they got going on right now, and definitely won't be disappointed. They'll ship this to you fast. Alright, alright. Here's what it box. Empty. Got the manual. Oh, this is lightweight too. Nice travel size for your laptops. Nice size, palm. Almost, well, just about my palm. USB right here. There we go. Just gotta plug it in. We'll hop into my computer in a second. Just gonna plug her in. So I gotta charge this phone for the die, so we're gonna hop there. There we go. See, pretty simple. Next, plug it into your laptop or your device that you're gonna use this for. But like I said, I'll be using it for my PC from Lenovo, and we're gonna hook this up. Alright guys, stay tuned. Western Digital, Western Elements. Is it digital or Western Digital Elements? Okay, I think I got it. But yeah, this is nice, super lightweight. So great stocking stuffer if you don't know what to get somebody, especially now. A lot of people will be happy with this. Great for photos, YouTube stuff. You could do pretty much anything. Store on this, possibly games and other cool things. So I'll be right back. We'll hop on to the computer, check it out. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. The Western Digital 1 terabyte portable lightweight hard drive. It is running. See the light? It is good to go. I just plugged it to the side. That one. So I gotta transfer all my old files from that computer onto this new one. This is 11. Yeah, this is running off the Lenovo all-in-one desktop, brand new. So I'm gonna check it out. See if I can follow up the. There it is. Elements. Here we go. Here's the good stuff. 1 terabyte. Free space. Nothing installed yet. So, really cool. Get them now. They got a great deal on these little terabytes. So, definitely check them out. Grab a couple for yourself. I'm going to have to upgrade pretty soon after this terabyte fills up. So, there you go, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good night. See ya.